Hi everyone, welcome back to our series on lesser-known tips for general health care. Some of these were puzzling. Yeah, not what you'd expect. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Baseball is a sport that requires split-second decisions and coordination. It also happens to be good for your health. In fact, research has shown that playing baseball can have a number of health benefits. Not only that, but baseball can also be a great way to relieve stress. The act of hitting a ball can be very therapeutic, and the social aspect of being part of a team can also help to boost your mood. Trying baseball can improve your health. Why not try it now? If you're used to cooking everything in olive oil, you may be doing more harm than good. Although olive oil is good for your health in moderation, cooking everything in it can really be negative for your health. When you cook with olive oil, the heat can cause the oil to break down and release harmful compounds into your food. These compounds can damage your cells, increase inflammation, and raise your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. It's no secret that laughter is good for your health. In fact, research has demonstrated that laughing can enhance your mood, relieve stress, and boost your immune system. But did you know that reading jokes can also be favorable for your health? That's right. Reading jokes can help you laugh, which in turn can improve your health. Additionally, reading jokes can help you relax and de-stress. And if you're on the lookout for a way to boost your immune system, reading jokes may only do the trick. We all know that playing video games can be good for our health. They help us relieve stress, improve our hand-eye coordination, and even boost our moods. Recent studies have shown that playing racing simulator games can help improve your reaction time and cognitive abilities. In one study, participants who played a racing game for just 20 minutes had improved accuracy on a test of attention and reaction time, compared to those who didn't play the game. Overall, racing simulators are an exciting and immersive way to experience the thrill of driving without getting behind the wheel.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.